Alright guys, here's my problem. All of my interior lights flash like this. Even the inside dome lights. You can't really see it very well. There you go. All the lights in the car do that, except for the dash lights. And I've taken these all apart on the doors. Wires were broken in here. I replaced those. That door was the only one, the driver's door, was the only one that had broken wires. All the rest of them were fine. The locks don't do anything. And there's no door chime, as you can see. I checked all the fuses. They're all fine. So, any suggestions would be appreciated. Thanks, guys.